Throw it to Daddy.
Roll it here. Throw it this way. Wow, big boy.
Go get it. Throw it to Daddy.
Alex, throw it here. Yay, big boy. Here it comes. Here it comes. Who are you filming?
Both of you.
I didn't know it was that wide angle.
Yeah. Alex will be 11 months next week. No, in like 4 days.